Hello children, today we are going to discuss the formation of image by concave mirror. I have drawn this concave mirror here, painted from the back side, and this is principal axis, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay, now we are going to place the object at different position and we will see where the image is forming. This what kind of image would be, what is the characteristics of the image, all we will see. Now we are going to place the object beyond C, C के बाद में, beyond C. Okay, I am going to use color chalk for this. See, now we will take two rays only. There are many rays they are passing, but we will take only two rays. First ray is coming from this object upper point. This is ray, light ray, always we form arrow. After striking the mirror, as I told you, this is converging lens. It is going to pass from the focus. It will pass from the focus. Okay. Children, you have to do the practice of this. It is passing from the focus. Second ray directly passing through the focus. Okay. And after this coming to the focus and then reflecting back. Reflecting back. अब जब ये reflect होगी, where it is meeting? Here it is meeting between C and F. Where it is meeting? Where these two rays after reflection will meet, the image would be formed. And children, image you are seeing, what kind of image is this? Upside down. I told you upside down image is what? Real. And this image we can get on the screen. Okay. The first condition is what? When object is placed beyond C. Object is placed beyond C. So what is, this is object A and B, and this is image A dash B dash. Now what is the characteristics of the image? Image would be formed first, it would be formed between F and C. Image would be formed between F and C, focus and center of curvature. ठीक है, this is first characteristics. अब कैसी है? Real and inverted. Second is what? Here I am writing down real and inverted. Real, you know, always invert and we can get it on screen. That is why real and inverted. Size. Third thing we see, size. This is bigger, this is smaller. Okay. So smaller than the object. Size is what? Three things we write. Smaller than the object. Okay. Three things we check. Where it is formed? It is formed between F and C. Okay. Second, it is real and inverted. We can get it on screen. That is why real and inverted, upside down, and smaller than the object. Okay. Now next I am going to tell you when the object is placed at C. Object is placed, placed at C. this is C, this is F, and children, okay, object is at C. Children, first ray will pass like this, and after reflection it will pass from F straight. Second, it will go like this and will pass where it is meeting here, only where the C is there. And you are seeing that both are same. Children, don't forget to make the arrows. Okay, it is meeting here. So what kind of image is formed? This is AB and this is AB. This is A dash B dash. Now you are seeing when the object is at C. Object की position is what? Object is at C, center of curvature. Then the position of image is what? First, where it is forming? At C. Three things I told you. First, where it is formed? At C. Second, what is the nature? This is real and we can get it on the screen. That is why it is real. And you are seeing upside down, real and inverted. As I told you, real image is always inverted. Third thing is, what is the size? Same size. Same size. Okay. Now, next we are taking, when we are shifting this. First beyond C, then C, now between F and C. Okay. This is C. This is F. Now object is placed between F and C. First ray passing from this. Second ray okay. So you will find this ray is not perfect. I am drawing it again. C, F, okay, you are seeing that it is meeting here. Some changes you are seeing? Yes. When we are shifting the object this side, we are seeing our image is shifting other side. So when between F and C, the image is formed beyond C. Beyond C. Second thing, again real and inverted. We can get it on screen. So it is real and inverted. Third thing, just you are seeing the size. It is bigger than the object. Bigger than the object. Okay. Now children, we are going to see when we are placing it more inner side, like at F. Now we are going to keep this at F. This is F. Okay. What happened now? Our object is at F. First ray, it will strike with this and will pass from the F. Okay. Second ray, it will go like strike here but cannot pass from this. So it will like go this side, and what will happen? It will, you are seeing both the rays, they are parallel. तो पैरेलल रेज they meet? At f, it will form, the image would be formed at infinity. ये आगे चल के कहीं जाके मिलेंगे, मीन्स इन्फिनिटी पे मे बी. और कैसी इमेज होगी? यहाँ से ऐसे आ रहे हैं, मे बी दे विल मीट समवेयर, ओके, एंड वी डोंट नो वेयर द इमेज वुड बी फॉर्म्ड. तो फर्स्ट थिंग, when object is at f, first thing, what, where it would be formed? At infinity. Infinity means very far away, which we cannot see. Second, देखो ये थोड़ी सी, ये जैसे this ray, it seems that it will meet somewhere, as I told you. So at infinity it will meet highly magnified, बहुत बड़ी बनेगी, highly magnified. Okay, and third thing, what? Real and inverted. We can get it. It will form on land and all, wherever. Okay, so screen, land is what? Screen, real and inverted. Because this side it is forming, this is real and inverted. Now next, children, I am going to tell you when we are going to place the object. अब और shift कर दिया between P and F. Now object is, this is P, this is F. अब object is placed here. ठीक है, मतलब बहुत पास आ गए हम लोग मिरर के. First ray will pass from focus. By default you make it. Second ray, you are seeing that it is falling it here. And children, one thing you will observe, ऐसे ये फैल रही है. In that last one F पे देखा था कि पैरेलली थी, लेकिन आगे जाके कहीं पे थोड़ा थोड़ा सा मिल रही थी. बट हेयर दे आर डाइवर्जिंग, अलग अलग हो रही है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इट इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द बैक साइड, कहीं पे ये पीछे मिली हुई है. ओके, यहाँ से इस पॉइंट से ये आ रही है रे. तो द पॉइंट वेयर इट इज़, वी विल टेक बैक दीज टू रेज. द पॉइंट वेयर इट इज़ मीटिंग, there the object is, oh sorry, image is formed. The image is formed. You are seeing the image of this A and B is what? Erect image. कैसी बन रही है? ये मिरर के पीछे बन रही है. जैसे हम लोग अपने प्लेन मिरर में we see, same way we can see, but in plane mirror we see of same size. Here we are seeing that the size is not same, it is highly magnified. Highly magnified. और we can say magnified, not highly, बहुत बड़ी नहीं होती है, थोड़ी बड़ी होती है. We are going to write magnified image, बड़ी image बन रही है. Magnified. Second thing, virtual, क्योंकि it is back side of the mirror it is forming, so it is now virtual. We cannot get it on screen. Virtual and erect. Erect. कहाँ बन रही है? Where it is forming? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Children, do the practice by seeing this.